Hi friend, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through over 20 holiday doodles. And you guys know these are not any doodles, these are super cute ones. By the way, if this is your first time here, I create videos just like this one every week, so be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Let's get started. Alright friends, so let's start doing some doodling. And as you can see here, I already sketched everything in pencil first. I love to do that so I can have an idea how to distribute everything within the page. I did erase it a little bit so it's easier for me when I am inking them and I don't have to erase at the end. And I'm gonna be using the Pigeon Letters Monoline Studio Pen 01 and 03. Now let's go ahead and get started with the December Christmas and holiday doodles. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do the lettering part of the December, and for this I'm doing faux calligraphy. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to create faux calligraphy, make sure you check this video right here, and I'm going to link it in the description as well. This part of the video is sped up, so make sure when you're doing it, you take your time. And like I said, on the video that I shared with you how to create faux calligraphy, there's also free worksheets as well that you can use to practice and incorporate this lettering into your bullet journal. So my first doodle, it will be this super cute Christmas tree, and the first thing we're gonna do is to start at top, and this is the easiest way that I found to draw stars. Just start like with a rounded triangle at top, then do the two on either side and then two at the bottom. Of course, we'll do this super adorable face. And then for the Christmas tree, we're gonna do 4 layers stacked into each other. And then for the details inside, I'm switching over to the 01. And then I'm gonna do the ornament, which is gonna be circles and small stars. And for holiday doodles number 2, I'm drawing some holly Christmas leaves with berries. You can leave the holly leaves and berries like this, but I always like to add some dots in the berries and also some lines to add shading to the leaves. Holiday doodle number 3 is this super cute Christmas bride. Moving on to holiday doodle number 4 is this cute Christmas stocking, and I decided to go ahead and add a candy cane popping out of it and a present. Christmas doodle number 5 is a present, and this one is sort of like in a 3D version. Moving on to holiday or Christmas doodle number 6 is another present, and this one is just a little bit different than the one we did before, and I decided to add a couple of versions of it so you have some options when you are doodling Christmas presents. And holiday doodle number 7 is this cute reindeer face. Doodle number 7 is this super simple branch, and I just think it's perfect to fill any space on your doodling page. Holiday doodle number 9 is a snow globe, and I really love that I was able to incorporate a Christmas tree and a gift inside along with the snow around the globe. Christmas doodle number 10 is a Santa hat, and as I was editing this video, I realized that there is a doodle that I didn't include here, but it should definitely be in. Let me know in the comments if you know which one I'm talking about. Holiday Doodle number 11 is this gingerbread cookie with the Santa hat. Moving on to Holiday Doodle number 12 is this ornament with some abstract lines inside, and now we are doing some snowflakes, which these are so fun to do, and they're also awesome for filling in the blank spaces in your doodling page. I kind of lost track when I was doing the snowflakes and filling stars decorations on the doodle, so let's call this one Holiday Doodle number 14, which is another branch, and Holiday Doodle number 15 is this Christmas candle with some holly leaves and berries around it. And now for Holiday Doodle number 16 is another ornament with a different decor inside of it. Holiday Doodle number 17 is a candy cane, and this might be an unpopular opinion, but I'm not a big fan of them. Let me know in the comments, do you like them or don't care for them? Holiday Doodle number 18 is this cute mitten. And of course we also have to draw a beanie hat. Holiday Doodle number 20 is this cute snowman. Now for Holiday Doodle number 21, we have some Christmas bells. And Holiday Doodle number 22 is this cute star. I love drawing stars like this, and we're drawing this one as an ornament. And last but not least, Holiday Doodle number 23 is some Christmas candy. And I didn't count this one because we already drew some snowflakes, but this is a different way for you to do it, and I absolutely love drawing these snowflakes, stars, and just branches, doodles around the doodle page, and these are super cute and make great fillers, so there are not like huge blank spaces in the doodle page. And this is the final result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and then I decided to add some color. So here is how it looks with color. And honestly, I always have like a small panic attack before I color in the doodles because I think I'm gonna mess them up, but I'm very happy with how they turn out. Let me know which one is your favorite, black and white or team color. Alright friends, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed making these doodles with me, and I'm really loving making these doodle videos, so make sure you leave it in the comments. Let me know, give me some ideas, because I want to make these videos every month, and so that we have a monthly theme for January. Let me know in the comments what type of doodles you would like to see, and I'll see you next time.